So your Bluetooth device will no longer connect to your iPhone. So as you can see here, I've got a pair of headphones which no longer connect with my device. And what I'm going to do is, first of all, head over to settings, and then you simply want to click on Bluetooth. And then you will see all the different options here that I've connected to your Bluetooth. So this is the one that I'm currently having a problem with. I will click on the information icon, and then I simply want to click on forget this device, and then click on forget this device again to remove it from my list here. Now what I want to do is I want to stay on Bluetooth, and essentially what I need to do now is I need to go to the Bluetooth device, and then I want to find the Bluetooth enabling button here. So I want to click and hold down onto this, and then for mine personally, what you will notice is that when it's got Bluetooth enabled, there will be a blue flashing light rapidly. And then what you should then see is you should see it under other devices, which now it is showing. So all I need to do is click on this here. And then once I click on this, if it goes up into my devices, which it is here, and it now does say connected. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix a Bluetooth device no longer connecting to iPhone.